What's up, man? Life with the Diamonds. Wifey about to shoot, man. There's Mac 10. And then she got that little 9S Draco. So y'all know what we about to see. She may think her Mac 10 better than my Draco. You know.
I never said that.
So we gonna find out. I'm gonna let her find out for herself. She gonna shoot them both. So what you wanna shoot first? What you wanna shoot first? My little Evelyn over there. You was shooting the FN? You shooting the FN? Alright. Alright, she gonna shoot that Mac, man. You know we put that rail on it, man. No optic, you feel me? No optic on this either. Let's see what she hitting like. Yeah, stay back there, baby. Put your headsets on. Alright. Alright, mama gonna shoot the Mac. Probably on safety. Just so you know. Oh, now she not. See if she gonna hit, man. Oh, shot. More. Three more shots. Alright, put it on. Well, no. She gonna dump the whole clip. Hey, get y'all a shooter. Y'all better get y'all a shooter. I got mine. Why they hating? And I be hearing y'all in the comments hating on that Mac. Hating on that MP830 SST. Stop it.
Stop it. Get some help.
No jam. Show them again. No jam. Flawless game. Like Johnny Dang. Flawless game. Hey. But hey. Peep this, y'all. She got that jammer on her. She got that jammer on her hip. No, ain't no jammer, man. Ain't no jammer. She clear? Alright. Now let's turn. Let's see what she got. 35 shots in net. I'm gonna go back and see how many she hit. Because the Draco about to be way more accurate. Way more.
You better edit that shit out.
I don't know if you chamber one or not.
I didn't.
Oh, alright. Well, there you go. It's got bullets in the clip. Hey! She ready! Watch this fireball. Hey! She missing. It's got to, hold on. Hold up. Put it on safety. Actually, no, just rack it back. Just rack it back and then dump the bullet out, the shell. That's all it was. And then you got that other bullet. Yeah, there you go. You good. It's good. No. No, dump that bullet out. Dump it. Damn! Alright, now back racking it. Rack it back. It's gonna feed a bullet. Now you ready to shoot. Hey, Draco got some problems on that NPA rim flawless. Hey, but that Draco gotta get some kinks and some kinks down to it. You feel me? It's like the second clip we put through it. I ain't even gonna hold you up. Probably the third. Probably the third or fourth. I'm lying. Hey! She hit. Why she running though? She gonna run. Hitting. More accurate. Draco got the ice running. It's that Call of Duty. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Dumping. Dumping. That's that Draco?
She's out.
She out. That's that Draco? She out. Man. Go ahead, man. Hit that like button. Comment below. Tell me what y'all think hitting harder. They both chambered in 9, but like the MPA, I mean, shit, that motherfucker, whoop. That Draco, it had that one little icky in there, you know, that little shell in there. And, you know, it was getting hot, I think. You feel me? I'm gonna throw some oil on it. What you think, though? What you think, though?
I don't know.
You don't know? Alright, grab this. She don't know. What y'all think? Mac 10 or Draco? Let us know, man. Let us know. Hey, what you doing? You want to shoot something? She always want to shoot. That's my girl. Hey, thanks for watching, man. Y'all go ahead, smash that button, man. Hit that bell. Whatever they be telling y'all to do, I need y'all to do for me. Let's get it, man. Like with the Dorman gang. Turn me up.